Hi, how are you? Thank you for watching. We're cooking today. This is ribeye steak and mushrooms. And mushrooms, very beautiful mushrooms. So first thing we do, we're gonna grab olive oil. And put a little bit on it. A little bit olive oil. Yeah. And a little bit on the shroomies. Like that. See, and then we're gonna put it everywhere. Make sure it's on the whole steak. See, like on sides. Same thing with mushrooms. Mushrooms I put less, because this is mushrooms. Like that. Now, put the magic brush aside. Put complete seasoning. Like that. A little bit on mushrooms. Like that. Then you have lemon pepper. Open it up. See, put lemon pepper. Good. Lemon pepper is very good spice. It's one of my favorite spices ever. See, we're gonna even turn over this mushrooms. See, wow, they look so nice. And we're gonna put lemon pepper inside. See, like that. And the next seasoning, favorite seasoning, Old Bay. This is good for meats and seafood. Oh wow, seafood. If you cook shrimps or lobster with this, unbelievable. It's gonna be just crazy, delicious, and 10. Like that. Then we're gonna rub it in a little bit. See the steak? And turn it over. And we're gonna put a little bit olive oil again. Like here, a little bit, just a little. Don't want to overdo on the mushrooms especially. See, like that, olive oil, and then you rub it in with the magic brush. Magic brush, very important. Like that. And then we're gonna grab lemon pepper again. This is good spice, very good spice. Oh yeah. See, like that. Lemon pepper. Then Old Bay chick again, one more time. See, like that. Not too much, especially on the mushrooms. Looks nice, guys. We can do a little bit more, see complete seasoning, but not too much. Like that. Rub it in. You can do with brush. And then we have over here George Foreman. See, it's hot. Already ready for cooking. We're gonna do bottom part because we're gonna cook on the bottom part. Like that. Put a little thing up. Temperature. And next what we're doing, we're grabbing the steak. See? And we put on the Foreman. Next steak, see? Rib eye. Wow. Then we're gonna put a little bit here on top. Like that. And we're gonna put mushrooms. See? Right next to the steak. See, like that. Wow. So beautiful. We like it. Delicious looking. See, the temperature you want to keep a little bit lower. Make sure it doesn't burn. Very important, it doesn't burn. And then next, see, we have bonus video because we have steak, mushrooms. What else you want? Oh, we want mashed potatoes. See, mashed potatoes. Open up. Like that. Mashed potatoes. And the mashed potatoes gonna go in here. This is gonna go nice with the mushrooms. See? Like that. See? Make sure you have clean hands. Clean hands. And we're gonna cook it up. Also, this is, the stuff it goes good with. The mushrooms and steak. Mushrooms. Over here, steak. And we got the mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, so delicious, so superstitious, ambitious. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna keep cooking. We're gonna keep cooking this. It's good, probably very nice would be to cover it up. And we show you next video. When it's gonna be a little bit cooked up. A little bit cooked up and warmed up. Thank you for watching. God bless you and your family and everybody. We appreciate you for watching. Wish you the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you.